Firstly, I want to thank DAAD for giving me such an opportunity to get exposed myself to one of the best research institute in the world, and to get mangled with the cultures of that great nations like European nations of Germany. So and that has given me a lot of memories that will titillate me throughout my life. So firstly, now I will cover the points like culture and food. So first point is people there are very helpful and things are very organized. Before going to Germany, there was a little fear inside me that how will I survive in foreign land, because that was my first foreign trip. So, but after going there, after I landed there, that fear totally evaporated from inside me. That the people there were so helpful and the things were so organized that the fear totally evaporated. When I reached there, the professor came to me to fetch me to the guest house, and then he showed me and helped me with all the proceedings of the college. At the last, when I was to give my presentation also, I was fearful that how can I give presentation in presence of such a scientist. But really they were helpful, they were promoting me, and I was that fear also just evaporated. That was really friendly about all that. That's why. Now, coming to balanced work culture, the most important thing that I liked there was that you have a very flexibility in working. There is no pressure on you that you have to work this from this time to this time. A particular work will be provided to you and you have to do within a certain amount of time. And I believe that if you have no pressure, you can do that particular work more efficiently than whatever you can do on pressure. So that I like that most there. As Ayush also told, that they are well known for their discipline. May it be for about punctuality, will it be on road for following the traffic signals or whatever, like accelerators or whatever. They are very disciplined and they are very known for their discipline throughout the Europe, or you can say world. They like to express themselves. Unlike us, they like to say thank you, they like to say sorry whenever it is required, and they will be very straightforward to you. Like if you have to show something, if they will ask from you something, you can say it directly no. Like I want to say one thing, that when for going mess, when my professor was going to mess, from 2 to 3 days they used to ask me, will you go to mess? I used to go to them. I used to go with them. But from another days, what was there, that I used to cook the food from by myself, and he used to daily come to me and ask me whether will you go. And what was my answer style? I was telling that actually I have made my food myself and I am not feeling hungry right now, so I can't go. So one of the guy who was beside me just told me, you can say directly no, no problem. There is no one will feel like you are something. No one feels sad about this. So from that instant, I thought that yeah, they are very straightforward about their views. And the most second thing that I liked and I really will miss was that of the get-together parties, like barbecue parties and all. They used to go with us to the climbing park nearby, and that was a very nice way of interaction with the people of the other group of the institute. So I like that very much. Second thing is coming to the food part. I am really fond of food, and I really like to cook food. That's why I like there. So coming to the food point, if you are a non-vegetarian, you will really enjoy it. I assure you, there are a lot of varieties of food that you will get there. But if you are a vegetarian, there is a very little variety that you can get, like salads, that pasta, pizza, and etc. you will get there. I'll advise you that you should learn how to cook food, at least like rice or other things. The rest of the things you will learn there only by cooking by yourself, as we have learned there. So, and also the food there are not so much spicy, and as we used to eat a lot of spices in our food, And I'll advise you for that. If you are going for a short period of time, you should bring some spices for that. And if you are, and for a long period of time, it's not a big problem, because some of the Afro-Asian markets are also there to get. The thing is, one more important point, that fish and egg are considered as the vegetarian food there. So if you order anything there, just get cross check it, so that you can't get bread are very cheap there. And if you bread are very cheap, and you can get a variety of bread there, and you can use it in many of the things, like I used to eat, like in the breakfast I used to take breads, in the sometimes in the lunch also I used to make it as a sandwich, in the night also I used to take it as a substitute for the rice or chapati, etc. So that was really a fun for us. And if you like if you like to eat tea or coffee, then you don't have to worry about, because they are also a very fond of coffee there. And also not to exclude beer also, you can get there also in a very much there only. I used to get a lot of coffee there with my professors, and I used to take a lot of mug full of coffee there. I was used to that. So that's what I have experienced there. That was from my part. Thank you very much for listening.